Alrighty then, let's get this. Welcome back to another banger session. to another London stream. Yo, what is up, Tango? To the London. Let's go. Welcome to the London session. Alright, we got 4 people in the building. Are we gonna have GJ buys today? Are we gonna have GJ buys today? We're at that 4-hour resistance. Good question. GJ looking intriguing today. But look at this 4-hour level, such a strong level. 2-hour. Maybe if this 2-hour closes above this level over here. The 1 hour also looks pretty decent. Alright lads, are we gonna have GJ buys today? Are we? Tango, I'm not sure, man. But I really wanted these cells, to be honest. Not gonna lie, those look real clean and nice. Okay, let's just look at this level right now. $460 to around $480 was the level at which we started ejecting. These buys were transferred down here for the Asian session buys, which was very clean and nice. Oh, this is an extended one. Alright, these are my GJ levels currently. 151 flat is in there somewhere. It looks interesting. Safer buys above this level. Okay, so sells below this level, 4-hour candle flip also is there. Where's the daily level today? Yo, why does this daily thing keep closing? How did I switch this on? Previous day close price line. I don't want this to go off, I want it to stay. Alright, so at this point we will be what do you say, flipping the daily candle also. So sells once we close maybe a 1 hour candle. So once this 1 hour candle buys once we close above 152 flat, because we haven't done that in 3 days. We haven't been able to close, so that'll be the first 1 hour candle to close above 152. Welcome, let's go. GJ buys Euro JPY, buy gold. I feel it has some steam to push up. Hope we get some trades. Hey, let's go. Oh wait, where's my camera? Let's go, lads. Love the hype. Let me just check EJ also. Yesterday we had such a banger session. Today fresh trades, new session. Gold, we marked a lot of levels before this massive move up. I'm just how do I do this? That was good. Alright, that looks pretty decent. Welcome, let's go. GJ buy 0 JPY, buy gold. I feel it still has some steam to push up. Hope we have some. Okay, I'll look at Euro JPY also in a bit. Just give me a few seconds. I think Euro JPY also can be bought. 84500. Sachin, 84500 on which pair? 84500. 84500. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Sachin. Alright, let's break this down. Alright, so GJ, you can see I have marked this 4-hour flip. AUD JPY, alright. Alright, we have 10 of us already in here. Say what's up as you enter. So I know who all are part of today's stream and who all have come in for the morning breakdown. Hi. And what is up, Sam? Yo, what is up, Emma? Creepy 187 TV. Hello, what is up? What's up? Welcome to the stream. We're just breaking down some charts. This is what I'm looking at on GJ. This is a very strong 4-hour resistance, right, as we can see. So if this 2-hour candle and the hourly candle can close above this level, we could actually have a push back up. So if we close above this level, but if we start breaking 800, then I would say I'm gonna sell it. This clean range back down here, all the way to 500 easy. You can see that 500 level. Alright. So that's what I'm looking at on GJ. How many of y'all agree with the GJ analysis? Because I really think this will be negligible. Oh, 1 second. I really think this will be ignored, considering on the higher time frame like the 2 hour and 3 hour, it doesn't even exist. It just exists as a rejection. So yeah, I feel on the higher time frame, if we close on the 1 hour and 2 hour especially is closing now. Once we close above that, we should get a good push in the London session open candle. But yeah, if we reject it, then we can just come back down, no problem. Alright, gold on the 4 hour. Let's just check this out. What is it? 2050 flat. What is this? 42 flat. Okay, plain and simple. My buy bias comes into play over here. Alright, above 2057, and my sell bias will come into play $20.42 is my 4 hour level. It'll come into play below this 500 level over here. Alright, I think that, yeah, that makes sense actually quite a bit. Look at this level on the 45 minute. On the 1 hour we'll be breaking the previous highs, so yeah. 30 minute, I think we could get some good buys up. What do you all think? Yeah, until then this is just a daily flip and 4 hour flip. Oh no, that's the 4 hour flip right here. 4 hour support. So this is a 4 hour flip. Yeah, what do you think about that, guys? Yeah, we're just looking for neat, clean charts, honestly. We're looking for clean trades today. Let's go.
Hi Sam, how you doing?
Hey Christy, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good.
Ready for the day?
I'm ready for the day, but my day is not. I've not started because I don't have electricity at home, so I don't know whether I'll be able to trade for this session.
Oh no. It's okay.
Oh no. Yeah, it's okay. I can just wait for the New York, but I'll see. I'll see how it goes.
Yeah. You're now on your phone, I'm guessing?
Yes, I'm on the phone.
Yeah, no problem. Anyway, let's see what we
Okay,
get in
let
this
me-
session. If you're lucky,
Yeah.
then it'll be a boring session. If not, we may have a banger trade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Yesterday, which trades did you catch, Kirsty?
The GJ, was it 10 pips on GJ?
Yeah, 10 pips on
The one
GT.
that after the 10 pips reversed immediately.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah,
10 pips on
that
GT.
one.
That was good.
But the gold, I wasn't able to take the gold trade.
No problem.
And yeah.
Gold,
We
if
can't
you...
catch all of them.
Yeah, it's hard to catch all the trades, so yeah. No problem. But yeah, I
So
think...
what is your idea?
Sorry?
Sorry.
You saying?
I'm asking, what is your idea on gold?
Oh, gold. Good question. As of now, it does look like buys up, but you know we can consolidate like this when you look at the previous 4 hour. But the more Putin seems to attack Ukraine, the more gold flies. So you know, this guy seems to keep screwing up. So it's a little sad, but yeah.
It's sad. Yesterday, gold really moved.
Oh, in the New York session, like, what was that even?
I think there was news. I don't know. So maybe something was happening.
Yeah, so it
Because I think that time.
it moved because of the US ban on oil from Russia. Because Russia is a major
Okay.
exporter of oil, right? So that's why when they banned it, it had massive implications to the market.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, yesterday had we bought gold, we'd be sitting we'd be sitting on a ton of it right now.
You'd have partied like you wanted to party yesterday.
Oh, yesterday would have been Friday. I don't care what day it was.
Yeah.
It would have been Friday if
But-
we look at that 780
We'll see
pips.
what happens.
Yeah, gold literally just moved 780 pips yesterday.
Yeah.
And in that
It got,
700,
I think, was it the weekly resistance?
which one?
I'm saying where gold reached the very top. Was
Yeah.
it the weekly resistance?
Oh, one second, let me check that. No,
Oh.
it wasn't. It was a daily level. Yeah, there you go. It was a daily level. Actually, a 4-hourly level, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it reached a 4-hourly level on gold. So yeah, so that was pretty decent.
It was.
Yeah. So we're
We'll see
now.
what we are able to cut.
Yeah, so now since we tapped that and we're creating this lower high over here, we just have to hope that Putin stops doing stuff, you know, which will make gold fly. Because I think now if we start, like, you know, what other traders look for is now if we start having a retracement on gold, we can pull back really deep. But what I really think is now gold is going to go on to create its, you know, the highest highs it's ever gone. It's going to create new higher highs.
All time high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know a trader, okay? He's a crypto trader. And he's just selling everything. So he's all BTC, Ethereum, everything, right? They're all just selling it. So they believe that it's gonna crash for some reason. I'm not sure.
It's going to crash.
Yeah. So they believe
because
that
of whatever is happening.
yeah, because what they do believe is crypto is a decentralized currency, right? They believe that once the governments of the world get together, then we won't need multiple
Mhm.
currencies anymore.
Yeah, that's true. That might happen. It's a possibility.
Yeah.
That's what Capital Hungry said.
Capital Hungry also said that.
Yeah.
You know FX trader Ariel?
No.
Okay, wait, let me just show you this guy.
I also don't.
This guy has like
Yeah,
this
it
guy.
can be true. Digital dollar is coming.
Yeah. So all he said is target is 0. I'm sure you buy Bitcoin, but never works. Literally, okay? And look at this guy, okay? He's saying sell Bitcoin. That's all he says, okay? But look, last week his profits on Bitcoin.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's a live trader with IC Markets. He's one of IC Markets' biggest traders. So yeah, he always catches the sells on everything. You know. Here you go, one more. You know, he's massive. And so yeah. But yeah, Capital Hungry is insane. Honestly, if you're like fundamentals and understanding this stuff, this guy is insane. I really liked this post.
Yeah.
You know? Look, they're basically shooting nothing, the Russia-Ukraine war, but the Pfizer clinical trials document the elephant in the room. You get it? So yeah, it's pretty crazy what's happening in the world today, but yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, with the war, technicals don't work. Even if your technicals are you good at technicals?
Yeah, you know, that's actually something that is so crucial. But yeah, as of now, honestly, I feel like the big whales, you know, the market movers, right, the big institutions, I feel like they just do whatever they want. They don't care about anything. They just do it as they wish. You know, but yeah.
Dude, he's got 7 million account.
Pardon?
He got 54 million account.
Who, trader Ariel?
Yeah, in his yeah.
Yeah, right now I think it's it's a $40 million account. Where was that?
Yeah, 53 million.
Yeah, $43 million account.
Is it safe to keep that much money in broker?
I mean, if you're with something like IC Markets is like what, world renowned, right?
Yeah.
They may not be a regulated broker, but they are literally the biggest unregulated broker out there. But I know many
They
people.
also got the insurance of 1 million.
Yeah, and what is this? I know people who moved from IC Markets when they made 1 million, and like not 1 million, like 5 million or something like that, and then moved to Oanda, like regulated. So you know, Oanda is like one of the biggest regulated brokers in the world, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But what happens when you move to a regulated broker, right? Like, okay, the spreads are decent and small or whatever, but the leverage is very low as compared to us. Like, we get 1:500 and all in different brokers.
Maximum.
Pardon?
1:20 maximum.
Yeah, this is like 1:10 or something max, I think. Wait, let's just check it out. For us, we'll die if it's 1:10. We can't make the money we make.
I think Indians are not allowed on under.
Yeah. Oanda Indians aren't allowed because that is completely regulated, right? So each trade you place, you'll get a contract and everything. But yeah. Yeah, 1:30 is the leverage on Oanda. But yeah, if you're a trader on Oanda, then you're definitely making massive money, eh? But yeah. These guys can easily move. Like they have enough capital to still place these trades on 1:30 leverage or so. Alright, GBP, JPY may come down. I'm actually leaning towards the GJ sells, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but GJ broke the daily high.
Yeah.
Previous daily high.
That one, right? But when we look at this level, right? If we buy over here, we'll be buying at a 4-hour resistance, you feel me? So it's a little bit skeptical, to be honest. But of course anything can happen.
There's so many rejections over here.
Yeah, that's what. So between this area and this area right over here, it's like a very dangerous place to be in.
It will take a massive news or a massive pump to get over
That 4-hour resistance.
the level of Now G is bleeding.
Oh, let's check that out. One sec, let me just mark my no trade range. Okay. I think GJ is about, yeah, GJ, GA should be bleeding. GBP, AUD. GBP, AUD, we have a pretty decent level up here. Let's just call it a 700 level. See. Interesting. Ooh, very interesting. There you go, you see the way where we gotta go in order to continue this. GA. This would be an interesting situation now. Let's see what GA does, and then if we start coming up, we have this level to be cautious of. But yeah, let's see what it does. Euro JPY, yeah, I marked it off. That's all I'm looking for right now on Euro JPY. But you know, that actually kind of got me curious, Ravi. Oh, the only regulated FX brokers in India.
Don't talk about India.
Seriously, what do we do?
They have a killer volume.
And I heard it was absolutely trash.
Nah, that's not a regulated. That's like Octa FX team.
FXTM. What a scam. Why did it come up in regulated? Leading brokers, many. And even if it's in India, you can only trade 4 pairs, right?
Yeah. 4 to 5 pairs.
What, all INR pairs only, right?
And one more USD JPY.
We can trade USD JPY.
I think so.
Why are we even here still? But yeah, soon I'm gonna upload a video moving from India for sure. What about you, Ravi? You plan to stay in India for a long time?
Yeah, yeah.
India is home, eh?
There is something in India that I don't like, and there is something that I like about India.
Hmm. That's true. So Ravi, now you're a full-time trader, right?
No, no, no.
Okay. Work from
Not yet.
home. That's nice.
Outside India, I think the Switzerland is the best country to live
Yeah.
in. You can train from the mountains.
That'll be insane, right?
Yeah.
One second. Alright. Let's just take a look at this before we continue. 10 people on YouTube. What is popping off YouTube? What are we looking at? GJ going up now? Interesting. 2 hour about to break the previous 2 hour highs. Previous 4 hour high is right there. What are you guys thinking? We need to wait for some form of closure. We can take a trade when this 15-minute closes above. Look at that GJ move. It's going. Glenn Shelton, hi all. In a trade at the moment on GN, watching the other pairs. Yeah, for me, looking at a close above. Yo, Glenn Shelton, welcome to the stream. Yeah, we're looking for a close above. You're in a GN trade, interesting. Okay, Euro JPY is breaking previous highs and continuing. That could have been a decent trade getting into Euro JPY when we broke above this level. Please see AUD JPY coming. This 30 minutes. How so? Let's just check ADJPY. Oh dang. I marked this out in the morning. We're pulling up to this level right over here. That's a good move on ADJPY. GJ. What is happening? We have another 1 hour 48 minutes. I buy. Closed in profit. Alright. Fantastic, Glenn. Good trade. Sachin, I buy 84,500. 84,500. Okay. Good trade. GG's to Sachin. He bought at 84,500 and he got around 14 pips. Good stuff. GJ on the other hand. So when we look at it, we've broken all these previous 4-hour candle highs, but we've come into this wick range. It's a little bit of a sticky situation we're in. So we can kind of look at this level. One second. So on the 45-minute would need a low wick on the next candle and then maybe break up from there. Yeah, definitely. But for me on the 45-minute time frame, I needed to close above this level right over here at the 100 level. I needed to close above 120 at least. Right there, you see what I mean? So just to get that multiple time frame confluence, yeah, that would give us a nice break above the 1 hour high also, and that would give us a break above the 15-minute highs too. So this would have to not only close above, but the next candle come below and then continue up. Okay, so this 15-minute candle is about to close above. Okay, current push is a faker with all the previous weeks. Yeah, I forgot to open magic keys. 1 second, do I have my traders? Yeah, if this is a massive rejection, that'll be interesting. So if this massively rejects is what I meant. Alright, let's just wait. We need the next 15 minute to close above this level. So then the 45 minute would have comfortably closed. Otherwise, we'd still be rejecting this level. If we reject, it'll just be another classic GJ fake out, right? Lower time frame fake out, higher time frame rejection of the top of the range over the last rejection. Yes, Glenn. Would need a low wick on the next candle and maybe break up. Then have to be careful. This current push is a fake with all the previous looks. Very true. Glenn Shelton. Yeah, needs to be close over the last rejections. Yep. On the 45 minute time frame, if I don't get a close above 150 to 100 at least, 120. Yeah, we're not taking that because you're just gonna get faked out at that point, and you don't want to get faked out like that. Look at that candle wick. Intense. Intense. Yep. Yeah, the thing is, Glenn, it's not a buy. It's not a buy until we start closing above these candles. So it's very clearly not a buy till we start closing above these candles. So definitely don't be liking any buys as of yet. Oh man, these bots. Get out of my chat. But yeah. Gold AD JPY is coming down. Okay, let's just check Euro JPY. Euro JPY hit that 10 pip target, which we could have taken, but yeah, it's fine. Euro JPY should continue up when this 30-minute candle closes up here. So this 30-minute candle should close. The next 30-minute candle create a bottom wick and take the trade on the flip of it to move up here to this level right over here. Right, that'll look good. Yeah, and that's a nice solid range also, around 40 pip range. There you go. I'm in Euro USD breakout 58 minute. You're already in it? EJ looks very good. Yeah, EJ is what I'm looking at too. Yeah, Euro USD buys once we break above this level. Took profit, letting my runner run. Very good. these are some nasty small ranges on the lower time frame, eh? Look at that nasty little range.
Look at the GU.
GU. Where did you go? Euro JPY or GBP USD? GBP USD. What are we talking about? 360. Ideal level to buy at, eh? Or either that or safer buys above 440. 131 440. You need to look at multiple time frames to analyze this. GJ is back at the top. Gold is just hovering in the middle over here. Gold has done this, right? So I'll be looking for a buy above this level over here. A nice bounce off to retest these highs. That would be a 100 pip trade, not even kidding. Okay. GJ 15 minute and 45 minute may close above there. We need a lower wick and then a wick to continue pushing up. Okay, so that would confirm when GBP USD right over here. Mm. 275 to 290. It's a key level right over here. So if this 30-minute time frame closes above this level, then we'd be able to see some movement. GJ definitely looks okay. I'm getting a little more confident on GJ also because of GU and EJ. Let's just add another one. I actually prefer EJ to EU, but yeah, EJ to GJ, sorry. GU. EJ looks really good. EJ would give me the confidence to take it on the other time frames. EJ has moved at least 20 pips. Yeah, almost 16, 17. GJ 45 minute candle closure and then a lower wick and we can take it on the rise of the next week. Okay, let me just check my terminal. Yeah. What would our calculation look like? Alright. Slowly setting things up. We can get ready for the next move. So the previous time we closed above this level, we faked out, and the other times we just rejected it. So this time should either be a breakout or another rejection. I'm gonna take this GJ by if this 45-minute closes above 120, 152, 120. How many of y'all are looking for the same thing? Let me know in the chat. How many of us are looking for that? Yeah, we should just hope it doesn't reject in the last 5 minutes. Yep. It does look like we have what it takes to continue. Alright, let's watch it. Okay, Praise says let's hope it won't reject in the next 5 minutes. Who else? Who else is looking for this? Just took profit on Euro USD. Very good. Euro JPY is flying. I think that should give confidence to GBP JPY also to continue. GBP USD is also about to close above this 30-minute resistance, which is pretty good for a buy. GBP USD buys once we close above this level also. GBP JPY is coming back down. Should we look at GBP USD? GBP USD does look very good, but it doesn't have the kind of clean traffic that GBP JPY does have. The rejection level, man. GBP USD also has to try and stay above this 360 level right over here. I don't know, today I'm just very skeptical on these. Like, look at the 15-minute time frame. So I would say safer buys above this level. Today I'm being a skeptic. Yesterday we had a banger day. I don't want to take a losing trade today. Here's the 15-minute time frame. Levels. GJ struggling. Euro JPY was a really good trade, but we didn't get it. Like, Euro JPY, maybe this 15-minute closure above the resistance could have been our entry. We would have already closed 10 pips. But yeah, I think, yeah, we didn't look intricately into it, so missed it. It's okay. Welcome everyone, all 16 of y'all, welcome to the stream. If you're new here, let me know what you're trading and where you're from. And if you like what you see, do like the stream and subscribe. Yeah. Euro JPY is just pushing, honestly. GBP USD about to close about 30-minute resistance, but then we have two 15-minute resistances in this next level at 440, which could be very dangerous. Las Vegas, Nevada, let's go. Let's go USA. So I'm guessing it's early in the morning for you, Glenn. Man's on that grind. Let's go, Glenn. Man's on that grind. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the safer side and wait. You can see GJ rejected, so GU also should reject. There you go. It's interpair correlation most of the time. Yeah, and EJ should continue, honestly. 12:30 a.m. Oh, good day to you, Glenn. Welcome to 9th March. We've already been here for 13 hours now. At least I've already been. I normally trade NY but wanted to try out London Open. Good stuff. Hope you had a good London Open. For us, we really didn't find a trade in London Open, to be honest. And we're here every day. Yesterday we had a banger 70 pip gold trade yesterday. And also guys on the Discord server, I've posted it up over here. All the trades I'm taking in the 10k challenge, right? I've posted it up here for you. Alright. So all the results will come. Yesterday we got 70 pips on the on the challenge account. Alright, let's take a look at this. 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I think GJ 1 hour time frame can give us some confidence, but yeah. EJ is just pushing 30 pips now. I'm trying the FTMO challenge. It's tough. Yo, it's not tough, man, Glenn. Trust me, it's not tough. If you have a trading plan that works every single day, right? Of course, like at least consistently every single day, then it's not tough. All you gotta do is focus on percentage growth, right? Focus on consistency. If you're risking a 1-to-1, then you're looking for that 1-to-1 trade every single day, right? If you focus on that, it's not tough at all. You trust me, you'd be up there in no time. There's 15, 16 of y'all. Let me know what's poppin', what y'all looking at, what trades, what pairs. For me personally, I'm actually gonna clear my list out, okay? I don't need that anymore, honestly. I don't know if I'm ever gonna trade. Okay, I'll just keep these stock indexes there. Sorry, AUD JPY has gotta go. Let me keep AUD USD, NZD USD has gotta go, GBP CAD, GBP NZD. I don't like these pairs, to be honest. I've never traded them also. USD JPY is basic. USD CHF I'm removing. Euro CAD, good night. Euro AUD. Euro AUD is pretty decent. Like, I like the daily ranges on Euro AUD. Even though right now all it's doing is just selling off, I like the daily ranges on Euro AUD. So the thing is, like, I will put a set of pairs I'm gonna look at and focus on, and y'all can ask me to look at any pair at any given moment. Alright? That's no problem. I'm still gonna break down any of the pairs you'll ask me to break down. It's just that in my watch list, I'm just gonna keep these few pairs, honestly. AUD USD. Yeah, we keep AUD USD GBP. We bring Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP CHF. Not really into that stuff. Even though that does look decent, right? I'm just not into GBP CHF. I had a friend who used to trade GBP CHF all the time, but yeah. Okay, fine, we keep GBP CHF. USD CAD. I'll be honest, I've never taken a trade on USD CAD. Holy. 1 second, let's just take a look at this. This is London Open for USD CAD. Look at that clean close below. Lower highs. 30 pips. Holy, what are we talking about? Alright, who's... should I keep it? Should I not? I don't know. Interesting pair. 1 sec, let's go back to GJ. GJ trying to push up. Okay, 30 minute with no bottom wick. It's damn sus. Are we gonna have a quiet London session today? Is it gonna be a quiet London session today? Let's go. Okay, 18 of us in the house today. Yo guys, come on, put it down in the comments. Where you from and what are you all trading today? Are we looking for a Bangor London session or what? That way we can get some engagement into the trading session. Yeah, Clinton, I don't trade Eurocad and stuff like that. Zim EJ. Yeah, EJ is honestly gone, to be quite frank with you. The only thing is there was too much risk involved in that. It's now pushing up, let's see. EJ can easily continue, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, GJ with no bottom wick is doing some fancy stuff, let's be careful. Let's go. Gold USD still not working on nothing. GBP USD moving. Let's go, chat. Man, I want to get the account up to at least 5% in 1 week. Phase 1 will be done in a blink of an eye. If you get a nice trade. All right. Yeah, GJ, there's no buy in GJ right now again. Can you just explain why you thought EJ was risk? Alright, for me on EJ, right? Okay, 1 second, let me just mute this so I can listen to some music as I talk to you all. Where's this background music? Alright, so now let's look at EJ, okay? So EJ, we had this price level and we broke out above it, right? You all missed the buy on GJ. For us, there was no buy on GJ, bro. From these highs also, what is it? Maximum, what, 10 to 11 pips max push? Yeah, 12 pips max. So there was no buys, one shot killer. Anyway, so EJ, going back to EJ, the reason why I said it was very risky was, can you see the size of this candle? This size is 35 pips, okay? The candle is 35 pips. So excluding the wickets, I think it's around 27 pips. So now, in order to continue in the bullish price action, right? we continue making higher lows and higher highs, right? So just by chance, if this was a fake out, right, where would your stops be in all of this? So what you could have done is waited for candle to break down and then break above, which we discussed earlier, but it has already moved 30 pips, right? So are you expecting the next candle to actually push another 30 pips or 20 pips for that matter of fact, right? You feel me? So now after it's already pushed 30 pips, you're expecting it to push another 30 pips. So logically, when you look at it, how often does that happen? You have a banger move and then your candles start consolidating, right? So trying to chase a trade after the candle has already moved so much is dangerous. So I like to just stay out of those, you know, because you never know what's gonna happen. Look at this. This candle went right up. The next candle started retracing. It can definitely continue up, but you know, how often do you find that these candles are continuing 30 pips plus another 30 pips plus another 30 pips straight up from here, right? So that's why I am a lot more careful with you know, trying to take a trade after the trade has moved also a lot, because a lot of these trades move like crazy already. Especially in London Open, it's a little skeptical and dangerous. EJ, yes, we did miss the buys on EJ. We should have been able to take the buys once we broke these highs right over here, these 1 hour highs right over here. Yep, missed the bus on that one, trust me. That's definitely the trade I would have wanted to be in. Nice 12 pip stops and whatever, massive targets, trying to fill this in, right? Because you're expecting that one volume candle to come in. We definitely missed the bust on EJ where the 25 pip trade was. Need to wait for a fresh new level pullback, then new fresh breakout. Yep, that is exactly what we gotta wait for. Or at least on the lower time frame, we need to see the 15-minute create a resistance, right? And then break that resistance to continue up. GJ, we finally made the bottom wick. Nothing really fancy on GJ right now, to be honest. The 1 hour time frame is at the 1 hour resistance on GJ, so we need to be really careful of that. Alright? The more careful you are of it, the better it is for you. Alright? Because right now you can see this. Look at this 4 hour time frame, okay? This 4 hour time frame consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 4 hour rejections of this level. You know? And so we could reject anywhere from here to here, right? The safer way is to either wait for this 4 hour to close and break this resistance, right, to finally have our first break of resistance, which would definitely give me the confidence to start buying GJ. Because of the low, right, we have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs. Now this will be the first higher high since this 4 hour rejection was created. So that will definitely give me confidence to buy it up. Alright, so that's why I would say wait for your trades, wait for it to play out. Let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close in 15 minutes, right? That 1 hour candle is probably going to give us a trade, who knows. Gold has been in the same place, right? We've been in the exact same place for a really long time. We need to wait for it. Gold on the 30-minute time frame is basically what I'm looking for. I don't think I'm gonna trade gold in this range. Alright, this would be my no trade range, but I think that is a massive range to not trade in. But yeah, that's not a problem. I don't mind catching these 100 pips, right, and missing these 150 pips of uncertainty, right? So I don't mind catching just these 100 pips and missing out on these 150 pips of uncertainty. Alright, so you rather enjoy those trades than not enjoy those trades. Alright, 18 of y'all, welcome to the stream. We're just looking at some GJ trades and understanding why we're not taking GJ until we break these 1 hour resistances and candlewick rejections. We are also looking at the 2 hour time frame, waiting for a close at the 4 hour close also, which should be very interesting for us, which should actually honestly give us a trade as our assumption, and we would like. But EJ seemed like the trade. You see this praise? Why EJ is too risky right now? EJ, you could have also entered over here, right over here, right? You could have entered over here. That was another 20 pips, but we were too late for that. I personally didn't see it. My bad, I missed it today. Canadian JPY, let's take a look at that. Canadian JPY. CD JPY. Yo, Akash, thank you for the sub, my man. Welcome to the family. We're 180 subscribers strong. Welcome. It's good to have you here. So let's just look at this. Canadian JPY. That is interesting. I think this is the first time I'm ever looking at this pair. So from a plain price action point of view, you want to be careful of the Canadian JPY pair. Yeah, I learned something on EJ. Thanks, champ. Yo, no problem, praise, man. You're an awesome sport, honestly. And so yeah, right over here would be our resistance on CJ. I like that. On Canadian JPY. So we need to wait and see how price reacts to these levels. If we start rejecting, then we can form some kind of range over here, break that range and continue down. If not, yeah, this 4 hour can break this previous 4 hour resistance to continue back up. Yeah, Canadian JPY is a little bit above this level right over here at 90.693 is where you'd get some good buys up. Okay, don't see a near-term trade. I'm gonna catch 3 hours of wink of sleep back for NY open. Good luck, or be patient and wait for your setups. No FOMO. Yo, good stuff, Glenn. Get some rest and see you back for New York session. All the best with your New York session too. Keep slaying it. What is good, fam? Alright, we're still looking. Can GJ give us a trade setup? Alright, 15 minutes continuing up. 1 minute. Let's just go to GU. Yeah. GU is breaking up. Hello sir, can you tell me about gold USD? I'm short at 1962. 1962? Bro, where are you short at 1962? My friend, that's a far level away. You can be short from this level itself, but 1962, that's 700 pips away. So what are you gonna do till then? What are you gonna do till we reach 1962? Or are you short till 1962? Or are you holding shorts from 1962? Because that'll just be... You're holding shorts from 1962. My friend... Yo... As... No, don't... Yo, do not... Why are you holding shorts from 1962? Why? Why are you still holding it is my question. Alright, oh, my bad, Clinton. So I think, you know, I was so shocked that even my camera froze at 1962, but dude, that is not good at all. What's your lot on gold? Yeah, what's your lot on gold, Akash? How many lots are you holding on gold at 1962? Man, that guy's flying like Akash. I thought it will go down, but my mistake. 0.04. Oh, blimey. So how much negative are you in right now? 0.04. My mind can't comprehend that. 1 second. 8 minutes left for GBP, JPY. I'll get into this buy once we close above this level. $331. Yikes. Alright, so holy, that is not good, Akash. I don't know, honestly. That's not good. You shouldn't have been in that trade. You shouldn't have been holding that trade. 800 pips drawdown. Anyone who in this chat has ever held more than 15 pips drawdown? I have. How can I remove it? How can I remove it from now? Oh my guy, you're scaring me hearing it. This guy's a legend, yo. $800 pips drawdown. How can you remove it from now? How can you remove it? I mean, we can pray and hope it comes back down to 1962. I don't know. Yeah, you have to take the L and trade that. I mean, yeah, 800 pips. My guy, that's not good. But yeah, I say take the L and start trading again. Except next time, do not hold more than, I don't know. For me on gold, 20 pips is the maximum stop loss I'm willing to have. Let alone 800 pips. Shaheen, put sell 0.05. Man, this or else in another pair can we recover? Dude, yeah, so if you're looking at that, you need to start trading again for it to recover, right? So you first need to get out of that, because that's gonna destroy your mindset. Just take the L. What were you? Okay, wait. When were we? Sorry, Ravi, tell me. Yeah, I mean, wait. Let me just look at it. Okay, so 1962. The last time we were at 1962, it was 4 days away. Why were you holding it for 4 days? At least, okay, let's say worst case scenario, you held it for. How many pips is that? 400 pips. At least you could have closed it at 400 pips. Yeah, just cut your losses, man. Honestly. Don't be holding those. The longer you hold those, the more it's gonna destroy your mindset. Trust me. When I started Forex, sometimes the maximum loss I would have held was for like 50 pips. And 50 pips that would destroy my confidence and motivation, you know. You need to learn to cut your losses small. Bro, put stop loss. Yep, Cybergram Reaper, that's good. Just put stop loss, you know. There's another London stream called Stop Loss Matters, you know. That's all you need. A stop loss is what you need. Sorry, Ravi. Yeah, no problem. See, Akash, this $331 is small, man. As in, like, in life, wherever you're gonna go and whatever you're gonna do next, you're gonna definitely recover $331 easily. Take the L now, but make sure you take it as a learning experience. Yeah, in this one trade. Take the L and make it a learning curve. If this isn't a learning curve for you, okay, if this isn't a learning curve for you, then you're gonna repeat it again. But make sure that this is a learning curve for you. There were times where I took losses too, but when you make it a learning curve, right, that $331 is going to be nothing in your future. Alright? But yeah, as of now, I personally think you got to take the L. I mean, all of us are looking at, I mean, if gold comes back to 1962, like, I'll be shook and I'll be very happy for you. But it's not worth the risk. Like, you can make so much more by risking so much lesser than that, man. You really need to work on your risk management system. Because 800 pips is no joke. You shouldn't have held it at all for 800 pips. I think we over here with the trading gang, we would have been out instantly at like 10 pips or 20 pips max. That's just not good for you, man. That's not good for your mindset. Alright, GJ rejecting the 1 hour resistance that we were looking at. Oh, how many of y'all think this is gonna be a dead London session which is gonna just kill the vibe, honestly? Because I see no good happening. But Akash, believe in yourself, man, honestly. Take the L this time. Next time it's gonna be different. Euro, JPY, GBP, USD, any change. Now we went up to that level and rejected it. 50-minute resistance. Look at that clean price point which I marked out for y'all as a rejection. We went into it and we rejected it straight. Will we get GU sells off this level? What happened the last time we closed in? Every time we rejected this level, what happened? Slam back down. Who knows? Shaheen, good morning Shaheen. Cybergrim Reaper, what is good loss? What is happening? How is everyone doing today? How is Shaheen? How was your wedding anniversary and everything? Hope you partied hard and had a fun time. Any chance to come down? See, my guy, I can't tell you whether we're gonna come down completely. We can have retracements to key price points and key levels, right? Like 230, 220 maybe. Like 220 looks like a level which we haven't come down to as yet. But I would just suggest take the L and come back. Because Biden has stopped oil imports and all. Yeah, definitely. And that's why gold gained so much of value last night, right? Because of that. Because now US oil, whatever they're pumping, remember why during the pandemic, right, did oil crash, okay? And gold and everything come down, right? It was because in that time oil, they were pumping so much of oil, right, that they had no place to store it, so it went to around what, 50 cents to zero, right? So when you look and understand those things, why did oil now skyrocket? Why are oil prices all across the US just flying right now? Because now, guess what, the value of oil in US is going up because Russia just got cut out of export and import, right? So that's why. Alright, we closed above. On GJ, not bad. Let's create the bottom wick. And then we can get in on the flip. That's too small of a bottom wick. Who's looking for GJ buys? Who's looking for GJ buys? 1 second. Nickel going crazy. What is up, sales? How's it going? Yo, I need GJ to create that bottom wick first before continuing up. 4-hour time frame looking menacing, you know. 30-minute close above, 1 hour close above on GU. GJ, come on, give us a nice bottom wick and we'll all get in. I don't think that bottom wick is enough. Wait on flip. Yeah, we're all waiting for that bottom wick and then flip. Yep, all of us. Jeffrey also. Hello, Shubh Mishra. What is up? Welcome to the stream. I'm gonna wait for that bottom wick and then the flip, because right now there's no bottom wick. Like, at least there's barely a bottom wick. Yeah, let's wait for the bottom wick and then a continuation. Alright, alright. Come on, pull back a little deeper, man, GJ. Alright, let's go down. Let's switch to market pending order. $160. Alright, I'm gonna have, this is the first time this 1 hour is breaking out, right? Yep, I'm gonna have a buy stop at 160, 10 pips stop loss, expectation for it to continue up. So we have our buy limit at 160. Flip on this candle wick, right? 160 right there. Once we flip bullish, and then we can get into this trade. Nice 10 pip stops. 160. Where did this stop loss even go? 10 pip stops right here. 20 pip targets. Okay, my trade is activated right over here. Alright, as soon as we break these highs over here, we're gonna move to break even. Break even highs over there. 160. There you go, 10 pips. Alright, so as soon as we break these highs, I'm gonna move to break even. Alright, so this is gonna be break even trigger. But yeah, so that's the trade we're currently in. GJ buys, looking for continuation on the 4-hour time frame. Which does look pretty good. So now we should continue up. Two pips up. Here you go on the challenge account. 1.17 lot size. Okay, let's move this here. We're moving up. I'm on go sell right now. All right, as soon as we break above these levels, you know, I'll put my stops at break even, stop loss and profit basically, so you can see what I'm looking for and how I'm trading it. Let's continue pushing GJ. Gold sells. Ooh, juicy gold sells. Look at that gold sell right there. 100 pips, it just moved. Damn. Intense. Well, let's see. Yeah, I want GJ to continue up nicely now. So where I'd be cautious if this next 15-minute candle closes bearish or weak. That's where I'm gonna be cautious, and that's where we're gonna start managing our risk in order to not end up in massive drawdown. Secure profits. Tango, GG's on that trade, my man. Beautiful trade, Tango. Alright, GJ going down. We'll close 50% of our trade if we break the previous 15-minute low. Or even the current 15-minute low looks pretty decent to close. 50%. Alright, no problem. GJ to close in the 45-minute time frame. True, 45-minute time frame does look a lot better on GJ. We got 10 pips stops. Let's see. Yeah, stops actually below this 15-minute candle, so we reduce the risk to 9 pips if we break the previous 15-minute candle. Yup, it is. And sometimes we take losing trades too, so that's not a problem. Alright, and I'm out. 8 pip GJL. Interesting. No problem at all. So now we're looking and seeing and understanding why didn't this trade work out. Alright, now we got to see why didn't this trade work out. So let's just look at it and wait for it, see if we are to give our trade a second chance or not. All right. Now will GJ flip and continue? Who knows? So look, this could just be a retracement on the 5-minute time frame, so let's wait. So the 5-minute time frame made sure we closed below this 1 hour resistance. So let's be careful now. We need a 5-minute candle to show us that we can break this entire range that we have over here. But gold, what happened on gold? What a massive drop on gold. Intense. Tango caught the whole gold sell. GG's Tango. Insane sells. More sells once we break below this level over here. On gold. Because we have this nice clean traffic coming down to 2000 again. But on the bright side on gold, now you should be only 700 pips in drawdown on gold, Akash. Hello, sell gold. I'm on gold sales right now. I'm already securing profits. It's coming for your stuff, bro. Yes. Sometimes we take it out. What are we talking about? Oh man, gold is moving. Alright GJ, you can see the full rejection. We've had a complete rejection on GJ, so now we will have to wait and see other time frames supported before we can take another. Way more to go, Akash. In gold sells for 2048. 1 second. Gold sells 2048. Oh, what a sell, my guy. Intense sells. GG's, good sells. That's 170 pip sells. I would have banked it for the day. Right here. So now you can see why it's dangerous to buy at a resistance. Buy at a resistance. We still haven't broken the previous 30-minute low. So GJ still has potential to continue up. But if GJ closes this way, we can create a fake out. So that would be a problem on GJ. Yeah, right now it's creating a 15-minute fake out, which can actually sell off now. But it would only confirm once we break this 30-minute low or close the 30-minute candle back in the range. The 45-minute rejected it, so it's better to be careful of this now. This is not looking too good, honestly. Look at the amount of rejections plus today's rejections. I think we could give, if it closes above 152 200. Yeah, 150 200 is the key. That's the next price point if we close above it. This 15-minute closure above this 150 to 160 level also would be pretty decent to give another shot at GJ. Yo Ashish, welcome back, welcome back. Not bad. Welcome, 21 people on stream. Let us know where y'all are from and what y'all are trading. Let's go. Gold was a beautiful trade. This kind of engulfing candle is the way to go on gold, honestly. Beautiful. Alright, GJ. 11 pips left. 11 minutes left. GBP USD also fake out coming right back down. So that's why you have to look in, say you gotta wait for your higher time frame confirmations. Buying at a resistance is dangerous. Louisiana trading gold and GJ. That's awesome, Jeffrey. Thank you for joining us. I believe gold will go back to 2000. Yup, same here. I think gold is reaching for 2000 right now. Alright, see you Sharif, take care my man. Take it easy, be safe. Look at that gold vertical, that would have been such a good trade, not gonna lie. Yeah, could have taken that engulfing 15-minute candle on gold. GJ fake out incoming. Man, I thought the volume would be enough, but yeah, it's okay. Right over here. Good day, Nabraz. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. How's everyone doing today? Nebras, where are you from and what pairs do you trade? Even Shubh Mishra, where are you from and what pairs do you trade? Now on gold, the question is how much further down can it actually go? Now the next news is only in the night. Did we have any news when we were gone from here? No real news. Once this 15-minute candle closes, we can expect the next 15-minute candle to drive up and then break below to continue down. How much further down? Nobody knows. Yeah, because even this 2-hour candle is about to close in some time now. I am from Iraq. I live in Denmark, so I have a 200k challenge just started. That's awesome. I think gold is looking good. Oh, Tango, you're in some banger gold cells. Shubh Mishra, where are you from? And what are you trading? Do you think the 30-minute do you think a 30 minute closure under 229 on gold will be good enough to drive it to 217? See, the thing is, we do have this clean traffic, alright? My question is, after having this kind of banger move, right? Would we need some form of retracement like this to then continue back down? Would we need to grab more sellers to continue back down? Right, we broke this key price point at 240. Would we need a retracement to 240 to then continue back down? Yo, thank you for the sub, my guy. Welcome to the stream. So that's what we need to look at. We need to look at these levels, key levels, which would give us perspective on it. Okay, 29 flat. And let's put 30. I honestly feel it's enough to continue down. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good to just fill in this range, but also remember, look at those rejections in that area. And where would our stops be? You have like 70 or 80 pip stops or 5-minute stops. On the replacement will begin at 2026. 2026. Very true. So till then we kinda just have to wait. Yeah, Jeffrey, yeah, we need to be careful now if we're gonna take these gold cells away. Welcome to the stream, lads. 22 of your Run it up. Let me know what's popping on your end. Tell me what are you looking at. Did you catch any banger trades today? Today we've taken one loss on GBP JPY buys, which look like they want to play out right now. So I would give my trade a second chance if the 30-minute time frame were to close above 150 to 200. Yeah. Yeah, at that point it would be pretty good. Oh, GJ moving now. Yeah, this 30-minute closure above this would give me confidence. Yeah, I'd wait for this 15-minute candle to close, wait for a bottom wick and get on it. Give it a second chance, to play out, and this is our target range. Right over there. Let's see what we can fix up now. There's 2 minutes left in this candle. Let's see if we can get one banger to end the stream. Yeah, we should have held GJ, but it's fine. We were risk managing. We didn't want to hold that much of drawdown. No problem. At this point, yeah, we should have been up quite a bit. Oh, we would have hit our target at this point. Wow. But yeah, now we're entering this clean traffic range, so that is good. We've broken above all these 4-hour highs on GJ, so this should be good. We should be able to capture this entire clean candle to the left. Oh man. It's continuing. Gold is also breaking down in this last few minutes. Okay, we can wait for this candle to now close, wait for a 30-minute bottom wick, and then we can try and capture whatever we can. Alright, that's good. Let's get a decent pullback. How many seconds left? Let it create its bottom wick. Alright. Yes, let the bottom wick be created. There you go. So once we flip up, okay, once you break this high, you want to basically bring your stops to break even. Yeah, there's literally nothing stopping GJ on this side. gold. Gold looks scary, but gold also does look like it's ready for an impulse. Mm-mm. 24. Gold reached down to 224 for the impulse. Euro JPY with the push. What are we talking about, Euro JPY? $20 pips on Euro JPY. Buys. Damn. We've been breaking Euro JPY since that time and not being able to catch anything. Euro JPY is interesting. Gold retracing back to 2030 easy. GJ going back down. GJ hasn't flipped just yet. A retracement and a flip would be interesting. Didn't close GJ buys. Have you entered the GJ? No, I'm waiting for the flip. On my Forex funds, it hasn't flipped just yet. Let's go. I think GJ is retesting. Yeah, GJ is probably retesting 200. And then we'll probably continue once we completely flip this candle. So now we can use this candle lows as stops. Look at that, 9 pip stops easy on GJ. So you can have a nice safe stop at 10 pips and wait for a continuation. That's our 1-to-1. We're at 183 subs. Let's go. Is there any other London live streams that are running right now? So once GJ flips, that's gonna be interesting for all of us. I don't see any other London live sessions going on right now. Yeah, stop loss matters also closed around 20 minutes back. Oh, Luke Trades London traded today. Interesting. I just liked the channel, so I will try to follow you. I like your trading style. You're here every day. We're here every single day, bro. Every single day. Yup. So wait for this now. This 5-minute candle can flip up and continue. Look, got clapped by gold. Is that so? I don't know. They're all following some SMC trader stuff, so I that's why I kind of backed off and continued doing my thing. Otherwise, I used to trade live with Luke and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. That'd be interesting to watch. I mean, I got clapped by GJ. No, no, no offense to anyone. Did they try to buy gold or something? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 30 people on the live stream. Let's go. How's everybody doing in the house? We're either waiting for GJ to flip or GJ to just not give us an entry and continue down. Either ways, we will be happy. Archie's in those GJ buys. He was in sells. I mean buys, yeah. He was in sells. Oh, he was in buys, but it went sells, yeah. What, gold dropped like 100 pips or something? The gold flip now will be actually insane if we do continue down. Ooh, that'll be intense. How many pips is that? Oh, that's too many pips to this. No. Man, Euro JPY was such a good trade today. I don't know how we missed every aspect of it possible. 50 pips. We broke it down, but we missed it all. Alright, GJ, come on. Or we could actually, what we could see is this 15-minute close weak bullish, weak bearish, and the next 15-minute break the high and continue. That's something I've seen happen a lot. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. I believe GJ is about to flip, and GJ just took me in. Lol. GJ just took me in. How about that? How about that? Oh, what a lads. Let's fly, GJ. Alright. Man, hate it when that happens. My PC just shut off and came back on. Just go on. Reducing risk. 10 pips. Man, that was messed up. Why did my PC just switch off and come back? Alright, Jija, let's continue. Alright. Oh, where's my magic keys? Okay, as you can see, GJ Trade open right over here. Magic keys. Come on, open. Right here. Alright, so we're 1.5 pip up. We're expecting continuation. We're breaking the previous high now. We're 4.5 pips up, 4.6 pips. Let's just continue pushing, GJ. At this point, we've broken the previous high, so I'm really not expecting price to come back down. So I don't mind bringing my stops to break even, because we already risked it on the last trade, so yeah. Once we hit around 6 pips, I'm bringing my stops to break even. $4.6. Will GJ continue? How many of y'all are in this? Alright, you know what? Stop loss and profit. I'm not risking anymore. Yeah. We already took one 8 rep loss, so there you go. If GJ continues, I want it to continue now. So yeah. So once this 15-minute candle closes, you can actually just keep your stops below that 15-minute candle. But in 28 seconds, this is the bullish 15-minute candle. So that actually should be pretty decent to continue up. Stops to break even. Bum, 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 bum. I'm just managing risk very carefully. So yeah, so this 15-minute candle can make a bottom wick and continue. So you want to be careful. I don't want it to come back down. Alright, I brought my stop below the previous 5-minute low, because it's just 1.1 pip. Yeah, it's right below the 5-minute low. It's just what, 1 pip or something in negative. Yeah. We want this to continue up. Let's see GJ continue pushing. Come on GJ, let's go, man. It's playing around entry. Will we see it fly? Still in GJ buys, all of us. Yeah, we're waiting for that 15-minute to just break up and continue. Alright. I think we're gonna get the move now. Five pips up. Let's continue. At this point, stop loss to entry. I'm not expecting it to come back down. If it does come back and stop me out, I'm completely fine with it. But I don't want it to continue back down. I want it to continue up. We've broken the previous highs. Let's continue up. I'm fine with getting stopped out at break even, because it's struggling, you know. Yeah, GJ is frustrating, but we will hold it. So there you go. Let me just keep it here. Come on, GJ, let's get that push. Let's get that volume push. Let's move. Break those highs and continue. Come on. What are we talking about? Gold? Did gold do anything? No. Are we gonna get it now? Are we gonna get it now? GJ, let's fly. Let's fly, let's fly. 6 pips up on GJ. Let's move to 20 level gold. Okay. Come on, GJ, man. You're gonna frustrate everybody now. What is stopping it over here, out here? 6.9 pips. Who's ready for the 10 pips coming up? Alright. Who's ready? 10 pips coming up. Are we ready? Come on, GG. Okay, there's some form of volume that's stepping into the market. Will we get a nice push up? Or will we get a slam back down? Alright. 9. Alright. Alright, what are we talking about? 9 pips coming up. Are we ready? Are we ready? Who's ready? Who's ready for the bangers? Bangers, bangers. Let's go. 9 pips. Almost at target. Come on, GJ. What are we doing? Seriously. 8.1. Alright, I think this next candle should take us up. Let's see. Can we get that push? Can we get that push? 9.3, 9.1. Really now? Really now? 9.6. At this point, I'm just gonna close 50%. 9.3, 9.5, 9.7. That's 10 pips. We're closing half. I closed 75%. Who got that? Here with me. Let's go. 10 pips on GJ. Who's in there with me? W in chat. Let's go. Let's go, lads. Who was in there with me? Who was in there with me? W in chat. Let's go. W Jeffrey sales.
Not visible.
W. Oh, my bad. On. Yeah. Let's go. Banger. W. Yeah, I closed 75%. Let's go. Let's run it up. Yeah, seriously. You make us wait like that. DJ, we ain't playing around, yo. We're just holding that up. Seriously. Okay. So there you go, we recovered the 8 pip L. We took an 8 pip L, but we took a 10 pip W. So let's freaking go. Stops the break even. Whatever GJ does, but we out of here. Eh? Beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful stuff. Fantastic work. Like clockwork. Gold is continuing to drop. That would have been a banger trade on gold though. 84 pip drop on gold. But yeah, GG's everyone who took GJ trade. Let's go. GJ is finally moving. Man, we were in GJ from down here. Should have just held it. Would have been up $200, but yeah, that's good. So there you go. W in chat yet again. 24 people live with us. Another win for the stream. Let's go. Oh wait, let me add it to trades taken. GJ buys. There you go, absolute W. Let's go, lads. W's on W's. Whoever's in the chat, let's go. If you like what you all see and if you all enjoy today's stream, man, subscribe. Come on, we gotta subscribe today. We gotta make a move. Let's run those subscriptions up to 200. Come on, we've been streaming for quite some time now. Let's run it up to 200, eh? Let's go. GG's. Quite a few of you all got that, eh? W, Archie, Jeffrey, Sales, Shaheen, W's all around. Let's go. Beautiful. Tango also. Man, those buys took forever. But yeah, I mean, we caught it. Beautiful stuff, lads. Let's go, lad. So yeah, whatever GJ does now, nobody cares. Stops the break even. That's the main thing. If your stops at break even, all is good. I showed you all that when I hit stop loss to profit, right over here, when I hit SL and profit, it takes it to just like 0.4 pips up in profits, right? So that covers my commission. You see, commission is 90 cents and the profit is just $1. So that doesn't matter. Stop, just leave your trade to run. Whatever it does, it does. Let's go. We got a sub in the house. GJ about to take off. Are we about to take off on GJ? Let's clear this entire imbalance. What's it? Alright, GJ about to take off. Who knows? We're up 10 pips again on GJ. So yeah, whatever happens. GG's to everyone who joined the stream. But what a crazy stream. Finally, when we get the trade, my PC restarts, as I'm in the trade. Interesting stream today. Come on, guys. Let's run those subs up to 200. And likes all around. It's a risk-free trade now. Completely risk-free tango. Beautiful. We got a 1-to-1 risk to reward on our concurrent viewers to buys. We got 22 viewers and 21 likes. Let's go. So there you go. London was a reality. Beautiful trades, guys. Menacing. Let's go. How many hours have you been streaming now? Okay, you guys wanna vibe out right now and just chill, or do you wanna sign off, get something to eat, and come back for an NY session? I feel like something's gonna happen in NY. Who's coming back from NY? Let's all right. Let's go NY if y'all are trading NY. Alright. Let me know. Let's go NY if y'all wanna trade NY. I'm always good for New York. Tango, man. Tango's the only guy who trades all 3 sessions and he has banger trades. Let's come back for NY. Alright. Sounds good by me. Alright. Let's come back for NY. Sounds good. I am here on NY always. Alright, let's go NY. So that's 4 of y'all. There's 19 of y'all. Come on. Oh, GJ, what are we doing? We're moving. We're moving, lads. We're moving. Let's go. I'm holding. I'm holding. We can at least capture this zone. Let's go NY. Shaheen down for NY. Let's go. New York session banger coming in. What's say? Let's go. Let's go. Let me know in the chat. Come on, 23 of y'all. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 responses. 24 of y'all. I've got 5 responses. Are we going for NY? I have a runner on GJ. Same here, man. I have a 30-cent runner on GJ. Let's go. GJ is pushing. Finally, GJ is moving. I should have had a trade right from down here, but I think I overmanaged it. But it was pretty decent, 25 people in the building. How many of us are returning for an NY session? How many of us are returning? Okay, we're at 188 subs. Let's run the subs up. Come on, if you aren't subscribed already, what are you even doing at this point? We call out bangers every single day. 152 800. Yep, 152 800 swing. Let's go. GJ swing to 152 800. Yep, let's go. You have Telegram? No, we do have Discord though. The Telegram thing on this is kind of messed up. Okay, I have a Telegram channel which I kind of messed up in the process, but yeah. Let me just remove that. Come on, what are we talking about? Join us on Discord, guys. Discord is where you can talk, you can say anything. Whatever you want, it's all yours on Discord. And yeah, you always see me post trades and everything on Discord, no problem. Alright. Gold is continuing down. GJ. Let's see what happened to EJ. EJ, look at that move, my man. Alright guys, we should stop sleeping on EJ. Okay, we stop sleeping on EJ. EJ is moving up in the watch list. Honestly, what's happening on GU? This is EU. Beautiful. Whoever's holding buys on EU. What happened to GU? Come back. Oh, GU also pushed up. Pretty decent push, eh? But GU had this massive spike down. Oh, that would have taken a lot of people out before going up, eh? But yeah, GJ coming back down. Will it take us out, or is that only the bottom wick? What are we thinking? I joined Discord. Welcome, Nebraska. Welcome to the Discord server. We got the newest member, NFX. Let's go, lad. Beautiful stuff. Oh man, I'm so... 1 second. Yo, guys on Discord, I'm so sorry. So we got man like Maverick slamming them GJ buys, and oh, he's doing actually in a gold buy. Interesting. Buy up on GJ. Nice. I hope that's going well for him. A sell on AUD USD 15-minute order block. Interesting. All the best, Maverick, with those trades. Keep slaying it. 4-hour candle creating bottom wick on GJ. Come on, GJ, let's fly. Oh, GJ's continuing. What are we talking about? Can we go 50 pips on GJ? Can we go 50 pips on GJ? Yeah, I think GJ is gonna break that 4-hour high and continue. Okay, let's see. We got a 50 pip target up here. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold it till that level. Let's go. Remember earlier I said... Okay, Clinton done so. Remember earlier I said if we wait for the 30-minute closure under 2029 we will see 2017. Oh man, intense. Let's go. Fantastic, Clinton. Good job, man. Clinton with an amazing goal call right there. GG's, Clinton. Let's go. Oh, give it up for Clinton. He's saying it. Let's go. Beautiful stuff. Okay, we're moving on, GJ. Let's see how far can we go. Oh, we're up 21 pips right now. Okay, wait, I closed my terminal, but we can open it again. Beautiful. We're up a good 20 pips almost, and we are moving. Let's move, GJ. Let's move. 140. Yeah, I don't mind holding this anyway. This is just a risk-free trade. $21 pips up. What are we talking about? I'm gonna close. Should we close another half, or should we just let it run? Let me know, chat. Wait, let's just let it run. Let's just let it run. Another day, another insane analysis on GBP JPY, another insane analysis on gold. We called gold below this level and gold just absolutely died below that level. So if we had just followed the plan and stuck to it, we should have been up 280 pips on gold. And right now we are up more than 20 pips on GBP JPY, which is absolutely intense. Fantastic trading session, lads. Let's You know what? Let's get one for the stream. Let's get an absolute banger one for. I'm gonna post y'all up on Instagram. If y'all do post on Instagram, don't forget to tag me. Let's go. 24 pip. Call on GJ. Talk about an 8 pip loss and a 24 pip W. Let's go. Let's go. W's on W. 24 pips up. What are we talking about over here? Let's go. And now we can say W's in chat. Eh? Alright, that looks really good. GJ looking real good, honestly. Not gonna lie. Yeah, let's just let GJ run. Of course, GJ can retrace. So let's just let it run. Fantastic stream, lads. Fantastic stream. I had an insane time with you. Are we running those subs up? If you aren't subscribed already, subscribe. Let's hit 200 subs at least. So we have 10% of our subscribers live with us right now. Right now it's a little more than 10% and I love it. Gold, what are we talking about on gold? We should have been off like 300 pips right now on gold. Yo, Tango and Clinton, I know you guys are in gold cells. Y'all should be shamelessly just eating out of your pockets right now. Euro JPY buys, just look at that. Oh, our analysis is so on point. So on point. What are we talking about? GJ running up 27, 30 pips almost. Where are we going with today's trades? Honestly guys, what a stream this was, honestly. We took the first entry on GJ, over managed it a little bit. But yeah, Akash must be glad a little bit. Akash, you better thank your lucky stars. Gold is coming down. It came around 400 pips down today. What would you all guys suggest to Akash? Let's actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a poll up for that. What would you guys suggest to Akash? Should Akash hold 400 pips? Alright, the poll is up. Come on guys, go ahead and vote on that poll. Should Akash hold the 400 pip? Should he exit his position now at 400 pips at $150 negative, I'm guessing? Or should he get out of it at $150 loss? Watch out, 2000 support coming in. Yep, the 2000 support is coming in strong. But I'll tell you what this is about to give us, okay? You know US is gonna do some absolute crazy stuff that's gonna make gold absolutely fly in New York session. So I tell you what this is gonna give us. it gives us clean range to the upside. Come on, who else thinks buys back up from here are gonna be absolute menacing bangers from here? I honestly think gold is giving us a clean range to absolutely slap it out of the park. Ooh, we are one subscriber away from 190. Let's go, come on. Let's go, chat. Praise says bye bye bye. Let's go. Oh, K1 Beats back in the chat. What's up, K1? How's it going? We're 30 pips up in GJ buys, and it's only continuing. Who else is swinging GJ? GJ swings. Who else is swinging GJ? Come on. Nice buy. I'm in SPX 500 buy and US 30 buys. DJ swings for praise. Sir, can I join you on the live stream? Do you need one to talk to sometimes? I will be happy. Yo, go for it. I'm down to talk to anyone, you know me. I've been talking to myself for quite some time and just to chat, and Chrissy talks to me quite a bit. But yeah, go for it, Nebraska. Join up on Discord. We can have a nice chat. They usually go in the same direction. Nice, nice. I'm swinging my runner until 154. Holy. To 154. Let's go. It's definitely possible. Never say never. What are we talking about on GJ and gold? Banger session, not gonna lie. I think we had one of the best sessions out here. Oh, we hit 190 subs. Let's go. What are we talking about? Let's see, what are these other things? Alright, I'm just figuring out my soundboard. Alright, GJ Swinger coming in, let's go. Okay, third trade on the YouTube challenge. I will post it up now. Captures. Okay, third trade. GJ plus GJ buys plus 10 pips. Alright, here you go. YouTube challenge, third trade. Yesterday's two trades, right? The gold massive banger sell we had. The GJ buys yesterday. Today's GJ buys. Alright, GJ rejecting. 10 more for easy 200. Come on guys, 200 really shouldn't be too hard, honestly. At 200 I will play copyrighted music and we will have a banger stream. Let's go, Ashish. GG's. You know, I once had a guy think that so he asked me what my name was, and I put exclamation Insta, to give him my Instagram account so he knows my name, and he thought my name was L Insta. I absolutely lost it. I was like, bro, my name isn't L Insta. But
Good day, sir. How are you?
yo, Nebras, what's up, my guy? How's it going?
I'm so happy to be here. This is my first day watching you, actually.
Hey, I'm happy to
And
have you here. Welcome, welcome.
thank you so much. And I will be happy to come every day online and, of course,
Yo,
follow you.
join up whenever you want. Share the wealth, which is knowledge. I share whatever I have. You guys share whatever you all have, and together we all win together.
Thank you for having me here.
Hey, don't say thank you, man. My privilege. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Anyone on YouTube, feel free to join us on Discord. Don't feel shy. You can talk. You can speak. You can ask me whatever you want. And overall, it's just fun times, good vibes. Everyone is striving for one target, right? We're all striving to achieve one thing, and it's a common goal between Forex traders. So trading is a lonely journey, so let's make it less lonely. What do you all say? Not bad. Not bad. 24 of your. What are we talking about? GJ with the rejection on the 5-minute time frame. Let's go to 30-minute time frame. GJ is vertical. I think we would have hit 50 pips had I held my original position, right? This one? Yeah, 40. But it's alright. Nothing but good vibes, good stuff. Like I said, buys above the no trading. So look at this, okay? Look at this. We can actually trust my levels. Okay, let's remove all the noise now. Okay, let's remove all this noise. Could you have just bought above my no trade range or not? Could you have just blindly bought above my no trade range or what? What are we talking about over here? You would have hit your 50 pip target to the T right over there. But yeah. Banger session, we waited, we broke it down, we analyzed it to the point. We made sure we worked with the higher time frame analysis, with the lower time frame analysis. We went to 45-minute time frames. Right, we went to the 30-minute, 15-minute. We correlated everything. We were waiting for GU to break above this level too. Everything worked out in our favor, and guess what happens when everything works out in your favor? You get a banger trade like that. So yeah, let's keep going, keep the hustle up. It's good to have all of y'all over here today. We had a nice 10 pip stop. If you were in this trade with us when we called it, there was 20 pip easy targets, and you should now be at break even easily, and now we're targeting like 50 pips or something like that. That was there, right? Yeah. So anyway guys, I'm gonna call it a stream and I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna get some lunch and let's see what we can do. Let me know what it is on your guys' side. Is it morning, evening, night? What are y'all gonna head out for? And we're gonna return back for New York, okay? Alright, Praise is also in the chat, or Praise is also on Discord. Fantastic. We got a new member, Becco. Welcome to the Discord server. Oh, welcome. Let's keep growing, guys. Let's keep growing. Insane stuff. We're growing every single day. Yeah, every single day you'll see the vibe, you'll see the results, you'll see my trading plan, you'll see the trading strategy. Thank you so much for 190 subscribers. On to bigger targets, bigger goals, bigger lot sizes, bigger profits, and massive pip movements, eh? Alright, Ramesh Chaudhary, you're gonna be here in the evening. Or it's evening here. Oh, my bad, yeah. Banger says Archie. Let's go, lads. Anyway, I'm gonna head out. Akash, the chat has spoken. They've said, please do not hold at any move. Get out at 400 pip losses. It's 1:30 p.m. where Archie is. Amazing. So I think it's lunchtime. Tango, get some snacks. It's evening there. NFX, Nebraska, what is the time where you at? And Praise also. Praise, what's the time where you at?
Sir, I am in Denmark. I live in Denmark. It is now 11:23 in the morning.
In the morning? Alright, so
Yeah.
are you done with breakfast or not?
Well, actually, I'm at work.
Ooh, hustling at work, eh?
Yeah, actually, yeah, I trade while working, so it
Awesome.
feels like, yeah, much nice, you know. I just want to pass my 200K account.
Let's
So,
go.
yeah, and I'm happy to be here. Like I said, now maybe it will be so even better if you can come on New York session. So I can also like be there. Of course, I will be there if you come.
Alright, done. New York it is, lads. Let's go for New York today. And Praise?
Yeah, it's actually just after midday. First off in the
After
afternoon.
midday.
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll see you during the New York session.
Yeah, let's get New York today then, eh? Guys, check this out. GJ moving up
Let's
33
kill it.
pips right now. Yes, Nebras?
I said, let's kill New York. Let's kill it
Yeah,
today.
let's absolutely obliterate it. So I will see you guys at the New York session. And Christy, you got a good trade? I think, yeah, Christy, you're unmuted, but we can't hear you. But I hope you got a good trade. In the chat, we got always. Thanks, no problem, mate. Anytime. From the Netherlands. That is awesome. Joining us from the Netherlands. Have a banger session, and I'ma see y'all at New York, eh? Alright guys, take care, take it easy, don't overtrade, don't over risk, be safe, and I will see y'all in the evening. That's, what is it? It's 1.5 hours from now, okay? We meet 1.5 hours from now. You can see my time on the top right of your screen, right? So 1.5 hours from right now, I will see y'all at New York. Take it easy, peace.